Made of cast aluminum for even baking. Nonstick coating allows for clean removal. Fun design is great for holidays and parties. 10-cup capacity. Made in the USA. This pan brings lovely organic shapes from the garden indoors to your table. The petals will capture a dusting of confectioners' sugar or drizzled glaze for beautiful effect. Heavy cast aluminum ensures uniform baking and browning to enhance our unique and beautiful designs. Oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 10-cup capacity. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Lovely. Must use an oil and flour-based spray like Baker's Joy. Makes a lovely cake. I would get more of these pans when I get a chance. I think it would make a nice and unique wedding gift or any occasion gift. I must recommend using a spray oil that also has the flour in it, such as Baker's Joy, or greasing and flouring the pan extremely well. The cake will stick. You just use a spray oil. Have fun.